Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome back to another day. My Jamerican life. Hey, before we go, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, okay? So I was doing a video earlier, and guess what? I turned the camera wrong. So I realized halfway down, so I'm fixing it. So I'm in Old Road, Jamaica, in Restore. I have a lot of my friends, you know me, you live around here, like my friend Earl. I just passed one of his nephew. I was filming wrong. Sorry about that, man. So we're gonna pass back all that stuff, okay? So I'm like halfway down Old Road. Of course, I'm with my baby. All right, so as you can see around us, it's all green stuff, and it's green stuff, and it's called Old Road. It's the old abandoned road where they forget about the people that live here. You know what I'm saying to you? They just treat them real bad. Like people have their houses and so forth. They're gonna go, grocery shopping and all that. So it's just bad. They have to walk. The cars can't drive down here. It's ridiculous, man. Okay. So I'm gonna walk down a little bit more and show y'all some more stuff. Okay. I used to be around here as a child. It was wonderful, man. So oh yes. Oh man. I'm
Show 'em the
coming up.
rocks and stuff, babe.
Huh?
Show 'em the rocks and stuff.
Yeah, I'm gonna show you the rocks. Y'all see all them rocks? That's the street. Okay. You see all them big ass rocks? Ain't no joke, man. So yeah, this is my friends and my cousin's family's house. There's a track that goes over there, okay? But I want to show you this guinea tree right here. This guinea tree, oh my God, it bears some big, nice, sweet guinea. Forgot what they call it in Spanish, but look at it. I used to come on here, man, and get some big guineas, man. They're sweet. See all that? Sweet and nice. Oh my God, yeah, yeah, man. This guinea tree right here, man, it's the bomb. You hear me? Sweet and nice. My baby don't even know about that. We used to climb that tree and get some good stuff out of it. Yeah, man, I was coming down to where my uncle used to live down the bottom. That's gonna be sad though, but I have to deal with it. Yeah, this look like this is a mango tree, but baby, look at this mango tree, right? The leaves are different. So I think this is a robin mango. This is a different kind of mango tree. I'm not sure what it is. Oops. Maybe Earl can tell me or somebody who knows can tell me. So yeah, so look at the leaves. It's different, and it's much your
How do you
darker.
know it's mango?
I know it's mango, baby. I know
It's just a different type.
but different types. Mango have like over 100 types, or maybe 200 types, or maybe more.
Okay.
No- what's that tree again? Moranga.
Moringa. Can you
Moringa
get some
tree.
moringa for tea?
Yeah, baby, we get moranga all over. They like all over. Oh man. So yeah, I have some people I know used to live over that yard right there. But the house is all torn down now. That's an avocado tree right there, baby.
Where?
Right here.
Right here in Bias?
Yeah, to my right, right here.
Oh.
It's an avocado tree. So that's the house right there. It's all falling down now. See the blue building right there? Oh yeah. Watch the grass, okay? I don't want to get thick with grass. So
Well, I don't
my
remember this one yesterday. I must not have been looking there.
my house is at the other side with my family. So oh wow. I think we used to walk in this little track right here. And we used to head back to my house back that way. So this water thing right here, we used to come as little boys and get little water bottles and get water in it and take back home. Yeah, that's how we used to get water sometimes. It used to be rough, man. I used to have my slingshot, used to
Is
shoot
this
birds.
moringa?
Yeah, it's another
get some
moringa
tea?
tree. Baby, we got plenty of moringa in the house. We can get some on our way back.
Okay.
My wife want to pick the moringa tree. Yeah, it's like, look at it. It's all up in the trees everywhere, okay? I
Delicious.
said, I'm telling her that everywhere she goes, she will see some moringa tree, all right? All right. There's more in front of us. It's all over. So my
Banana.
uncle used to be over here. He used to live over here. That's his family's land by his father's side. And like I said, it's very sad every time I come back here. As a kid, I used to come over here to meet him. And, my cousins used to be over there too. They were little girls, but I don't remember nothing much. But I used to come and meet them over there. There used to be a shop right here. So I think his cousin lives over there now. There go a dog in the street, y'all. Trouble. When you see one dog and he barks, maybe there's more come. Uh-oh, he's running away. Good thing. Yeah. This used to be it, man. Used to be it. Let me see if I call this my styrofoam, if my styrofoam come out. My styrofoam! My styrofoam! I don't know if you can hear. So, Gavin Dibbs is back there. You hear me?
Back here?
They're in there somewhere working.
Oh.
So my cousins are somewhere in the bush working. Um, try to hit them up though. So yeah, this is the house. Yeah, he came. Yeah, I don't hear him. There's a nice gate, nice everything. Like that. You live in the cold, you come back home and uplift yourself. Beautiful, wonderful. I love that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby, you good?
I'm good.
My baby exercising.
Keep it moving.
While I am just reminiscing on all this beautiful stuff I used to look at as a child. These used to bear some fruits that we used to eat as kids. Only kids eat it. This is a cedar tree, baby.
Cedar.
And this tree, we call this a lucky tree. Bear this fruit, we call it lucky. We don't eat it though. This is cedar that they use for wood, right here. Cedar tree they use it for wood. Lives in God. My cousins are somewhere in there. I'm not doing all that right now. I'm just saying. I don't want to find her in the grass, tall grass. There's some tall grass, you see me? Yeah. I guess she can handle all that. So yeah, we're still in Old Road. Walking, as I said, the video before was kind of messed up. So this is Old Road, Jamaica. Okay. See all the green lush? There's somebody building the house over there. So you see, once if the road is fixed, there'll be a lot more houses here. A lot more houses here. More people will come and build. Okay. And all I see on the way down is fruit trees. This is a hackberry tree. I have to explain that to you later, baby. Look at all these fruit trees, man. Wow. Good stuff. And we still, I told you it doesn't work. We're still stepping on more rocks right here. See that? More rocks. Rocks, rocks, and rocks. Look at all this. This is something to behold. And tomorrow I'm going to try to go to I want them to go to my old primary school. It's like probably a 2-mile walk. 2 miles, yeah, I said probably 2.5 miles walk to my old school. You see, folks, you seen all these fruit trees? That's mango tree, mango tree. See that? Mango, 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 mango. Oh my God. Yeah, it's just
Gungo, right?
gungo, yeah.
Gungo.
And there's this right here, pigeon peas, or we call it gungo peas here. All right. This is about to bear, start to blossom. It's February, so not gonna find many. Let me show y'all something.
Sweet sop or sour sop? Or guava?
Look like soursop. So back in my time, you see all this freaking firewood right here? That would be gone. But guess what? Everybody be using gas stove now. Like, people become so, you know what I mean? This changes. But it's a good thing though, because we got cable, got this, we got that, we got all the above. Oh wow. So we walk in, you can see all the fresh green stuff behind us, okay? To the side. So we did got some rain the other day, like a lot of rain. But the typical standard is not the amount that we get when it's flooding, but it was good enough for the farmers to be happy for right now. Yeah. Happy for right now. I'm just seeing all mango trees, folks. All mango trees. There's a lot of mango trees. I guess they need to plant some more too, but I'm seeing a lot of mango trees. Oh yeah. So we're walking down. We're still in Old Road. Now, we're heading down. Look at all this.
Jamaica.
Which dog is this? There's a dog. Did you tell me until they reach above me? So a dog came from nowhere following us. It's not Brownie.
Nope. He's beautiful though.
Brownie's bigger than that. I don't know where that dog came from following us. He's gonna pee and mark his spot. So I'm calling him so he could keep on following us. Yeah, we don't know whose dog is this, but it's following us. Yeah, it's strange. In my days, a dog be trying to bite the shit out of us, but he's following us. I don't know who.
You can't show him the
This dog is that? The dog is following us. We ain't got no food. Uh-uh. I can feed him my wife. Yeah, right. No chance. Look, and he's just running behind us like a loyal dog. Hmm. Oh boy. Y'all see that dog behind us? We don't have a clue. Where'd that dog come from? Yeah. Stop. Oh, he's doing his searching. Dog doing his thing. Oh man. So we heading down to the main road in about 5 minutes or so. But
Gotta show them the view.
yeah, my wife loved the view. So if you can look from here, you can see over the other parish, which is, your St. Elizabeth. And I'm gonna show you the view. We get closer, okay? So the abandoned building that you're looking at, I'm gonna show it to you once we get closer. Dog is still coming, y'all. Wonder how far is he gonna follow us to? Yeah. I heard this road is only how much? Oh, it's only 3/4 of a mile. 3/4 of a mile. Don't tell me they can't fix this. 3/4 of a goddamn mile. Oh, the dog comes. Listen, it's disappeared. Wow, that's a mystery.
On his way home.
Of course, a dog. That's strange, though. Appear from nowhere, disappear from nowhere. What's that?
You going to the
So, this is my cousin's, old basic school. And as you can see, the roads and all that, it's abandoned now. So I don't know where they go to school now, but they probably go to school somewhere else. It's this old road basic school. It's actually the school I used to go to turned into this one. They moved here. Okay? This is somebody's house right there. Okay? Yeah. So we're gonna turn back around now. Look at this mango tree right here. It's blossom, it's bearing. Alright, so we're gonna turn back around. It just goes a little bit more. Huh? I thought you said turn around. You're confused. Let's go, folks. My wife start doing her thing. Come on. She said turn around and she wants to go. So we're gonna go a little bit more and show you some more down. So this is where we go. Okay. We're going to the end. Maybe not exactly to the end. Just turn back around and walk up the hill. Yeah, good. Tell I'm doing what?
Remember?
Oh, so you want to go up the street then? Okay. So, all right, folks. So I'm gonna end this video, and I'm gonna give you another from the other angle the next time. Okay. So I'm just going on down. You know what? Let me just finish the other few minutes, so I can turn around and show you that I reached the other side of the main road. Okay. So just another 2 minutes, and I reach there. But yeah, so this is the walk. Countryside, Jamaica. Oh, there go a goat, baby.
I see.
It's somebody's farm too. And you see all that green stuff the animals get to eat. Wow, man, it's amazing. And you see that? No, it's all natural feed, No artificial stuff. Is that no MSG? Yeah. All right, baby, you good? My baby's in exercising mode. Now we're gonna go around the road the long way because she wants to see the ocean view. So I know I'm gonna have to take my shirt off at some point, but won't be in the video. So here we are. Look at this right here. You can see it's nice and cool and calm. All right. So these they sell these in America. Very expensive. It's called snake plant. Look at this. It's on the side of the street. Like everywhere you go, it's just free. And I'm like, what the hell they're selling here in Home Depot and all this stuff? It's on both sides of the streets. It's called snake plant. They say it look like a snake. Yeah. And it's just here, free, growing on the side of the street. So we back on hard red dirt again. Hard red dirt. Really hard red dirt. Yeah. But look again. Even though I'm solid red dirt, there goes a rock. And it's one of my favorite thing. Thatch tree. You gotta be careful, there's a wasp nest right there. So yeah, thatch. My baby getting impatient. She's gone ahead of us. Look, see where she at? She's gone. Okay. So I'm going around the corner where I could just show the end of it. Like all my cousins, you know, they familiar with this area, and people from this area, they know this place. So I'm gonna show you the end of the road over here. So right where that house at on the bottom, we're at the end of the street. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this video now. All right, guys, don't forget, please like, share, and subscribe. Okay. All right, see y'all later.